Right, we have been down here before. This is the Waterfalls, just outside BALLYMACOOL. And this area has been closed for sort of insurance purposes and stuff. But this picnic area has had some investment. And we've been just talking to some workmen there. And there is plans for further development of this area here. Not the waterfalls itself, unfortunately, but we've got...
They got a grant for that.
Yeah. So we're going to have a look around this area here. This is the place where I went one night and there was a cat following me around. New trees and stuff.
And they had to make way a little bit, cut down a few trees to make way for this.
Yeah.
And definitely, it's a nice hammer, strong. It's strong. You're right getting up here.
Just about. Steps wouldn't go amiss.
Yeah. We could pitch our tents here, Sam. It'll be a bit windy. You could film the lake from here.
Yeah. This is actually part of the old quarry. That is why you see the exposed rock over there. The main quarry's down the road, but they had quarried on this site before. That's why you have this flat area here and that exposed rock.
There's a bird box up there too. They've got one up there.
There's bird boxes everywhere, yeah.
So they're putting in little bits, little features on here.
Yeah.
So
It's just a pity that the waterfalls, there's no investment into the waterfalls. No. Because that's why people came here.
Exactly.
Do you know, the attraction was the waterfall. So, unless we don't know the whole story.
It was insurance, but that's what everybody says, but I don't
Yeah.
know if that's the truth.
Yeah, but this picnic area is the area to sit down when you're going to the main attraction, which is the waterfalls.
And you can see these are new.
Yeah.
They did have a couple of places. See that patch over there? That was a...
Yeah, I remember doing some spur boxes on that.
But they've got now some concrete around it, because it's good, because there's loads of red ants that bite you.
That's right.
So
yeah.
if you've got a little bit of concrete around you, you've got less chance of that happening.
Yeah.
When you're sitting there.
Yeah, and I think these are plastic instead of wood.
Yeah. So that's better. And now you can walk around this bit too, where the gravel is.
Yeah. Number 0.
Yeah.
I don't know what for.
First time I've seen that. And maybe they're going to put a sign down there and say at 0 there's this one who's there, or...
Possibly.
I swear local for grub.
Yeah, because this was abandoned for a long time. And the decking area up here, the last time I was up here, it was fenced off.
Yeah, it's still fenced off because it's collapsed, the decking area. You know, John, his foot went right through it.
Yeah. There's a walkway along there.
Yeah. Go along there if you want. Let people walk their dogs. Oh look, peacock. Look, the peacock butterfly. Oh no, it's not, it's Red Admiral. It's a Red Admiral. Oh, he was enjoying the sun.
It was my shade.
The shadow.
Yeah.
You like the sun.
But there's the decking area that went into disrepair.
It's rotten. It's absolutely rotten. That's why they That's why they fenced it off.
Thing.
You wanna go to it's only a little walk up and back, but then it gets very mucky.
Yeah.
So we can only go as far as...
To be honest with you, the people come down here for the waterfalls. Do you know?
Are you talking to me or the camera?
There's an N,
Oh look, pee.
an N and an L there.
Oh, that's where you go pee. Sorry. N-O-P.
It's for mapping of some kind.
Of course, yeah.
It wasn't put down very well.
They haven't concreted it in properly, have they?
No. It was done on a Friday evening, probably.
Oh, that's my one.
Yeah.
We have to find you an S. I'm just like a kid, aren't I? Stupid kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The size of those. The height of that. Do you know what I mean?
It's the sun here. It's spinning. Can you see it spinning?
Which?
Here, come here.
The sun?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't. It's too bright.
No, but if you look at it at the right time, then the Eucharist goes over it, covers it, and you see it spinning.
Yeah.
Is it happening for you? There's a disc going over it, so you can look at it now.
Yes.
It's the Eucharist.
Yeah.
Now you can look at it, but not for too long. Oh.
I done a video down here one night where I done some paranormal investigating, and a lot of the clickbait is like, oh, I got scratched in a haunted house or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
You know, this kind of,
Yeah.
I put a clickbait, but it actually was true. I got scratched. You know, paranormal investigation at these waterfalls, I got scratched. And there's a picture of me and the cat with head to head with each other, sort of thing. And it was kind of humorous. And other branches growing up alongside it. You see that? They're like snakes.
Yeah. You see the roots here.
There's an eye to the post, so it must be something to do with some sort of mapping system. Doesn't look like much roots, to be honest with you.
No,
It's probably rotted from the bottom.
That leads us to the lockdown walk. I used to do that walk down there,
Yeah.
but not down that way. Just do the lockdown walk. Don't go on the decking.
I'm just gonna have a look.
Yeah, have a look, but don't go on it.
Yeah, it's pretty rotten. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah. To find my way back out under the thing. This is an area of natural beauty, but we've been told insurance had closed the whole area down, and now there's money being invested in the picnic area, but I'm not quite sure if they're going to invest up here. I don't know. Or the waterfalls. To be honest with you, people come here for the waterfalls. So to invest in just the picnic area and keep the waterfalls officially closed, I don't think it works very well. Do you know? Then again, I don't know what the future is. Do you know? To be honest with you, so. But that is one of the viewing decking areas anyway. That's in very bad shape and gone to waste. Following me around the whole way. Right, so there's the official opening. The last time I was here, I kind of cleaned this off. We didn't see that the last time. We were here actually because it was dark. There's a cross on the top of this. Now, this has a history of having a mass rock. And actually, according to history, a priest was killed here.
The priest was killed?
Yes. It's probably priest. That's right, yeah.
Because this was when people were being persecuted for their religion, so they came here in secret.
Yeah, a lot of, you know, the rich houses and stuff, they would have hideouts for priests as well.
Priest holes, yeah, everything like but this is rotten one. You can't really think.
Somebody has made an attempt to clean it off.
It was.
Yes, it looks very historic, doesn't it? They cleaned off the bits they wanted to read, kind of thing. It's like an old manuscript, especially when you see it through the camera, like.
Yeah. I remember Tristan climbing up there and me taking pictures of him next to the cross.
Yeah, I can't zoom in, but I presume I've captured it. We didn't see that the last time we were here because we were down in the dark.
And sometimes there's a lot more growth over it, so it's harder to see.
Yeah.
But it's easy to see today.
But there was, you know, gravel footpaths and everything, and all the vegetation is growing over it. Do not slip. Like, this is the tourist attraction and it's actually closed, officially, sort of thing. You do hear the waterfall in the background and we're heading for that now. Somebody painted the rock instead of moving it. Oh, there's plenty of water from the rain today. This is pretty sketchy. Here we go. The priest holds here. Same priest hold sounds awful bad.
Oh yeah. What did I call it in my poem? I called it the clergy. So I use different words. So the priest know how I use it. Clergy, assassin, crater. Because it's like a crater.
Yeah.
So that's what I used in the poem. Clergy, assassin, crater. And undergrowth martyrs. Imagine, them under there now. So.
There's a lot of history around this area of industry and stuff. Mills and weaving and quarrying and stuff. Wait, we've got to wrap it down here. Oh, this is the...
This is the distance now. But there's somebody buried here.
No.
See there?
Right.
In there,
right,
in a little butter dish, is a little hamster, and that was John Walsh's. We did a little burial ceremony.
Oh, all right.
Because he doesn't have a car, so he asked if I would bring him here and bury his little hamster.
Oh.
So we did a few prayers and a little resting place for a little hamster.
I thought you were going to come up with a sinister story there.
For what?
I thought you were going to come up with a sinister story. When
no, just a
hamster.
Just a wee hamster.
A fishing place. A memorial place, This is going to be pretty sketchy over here, sir.
So maybe now everybody will bury their hamsters there.
Yeah, pet cemetery.
Not too bad here because
Heading back up the hill now. Oh. Yeah, it must be still early yet. Oh, I have my watch on me, I forgot. It's 6:10.
Yes, it is. It's working when we get daylight.
Yeah.
People have to on it.
Yes.
You're doing very well, son.
It hurts. Don't ask me what that's about.
Could be a font, probably water font.
It's too wide to be a mill wheel hole. Do you know, it's too, and it's not wrong shape for a millstone. It's too wide. I'm out of breath. There's probably history somewhere.
Yeah.
Right.
I like to think of it as the Holy Waterfront.
Yeah. Folks, I'm going to go. Hope you enjoyed my little trip today. And we'll see you again soon. Bye.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.